Watch until the end to see the shoutouts, and always comment on my videos if you want to be there next. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vince Bunny, and today I'm gonna teach you how do I make my thumbnails. So first I start up with my editor, Photoshop Mix. You can download it on App Store and Play Store, basically on Android and iOS. So first I like this template because there's sun, there's a cloud, but I don't like the grass. So we have another picture of a grass right here that basically looks better. So just cut off the sky and just leave the grass for this picture. So today I'm gonna make a thumbnail for a video on the episode 12. I bet basically I just fought zombies. So when I make these thumbnails, when I want to get a mob, I just get them from Google, and sometimes I just take a picture on my own in my Minecraft world and creative. So basically I have my own photo booth there. I just put animals in. So for now I'm just gonna get some photos on Google. So let's go on Google. Oh, that's my YouTube studio. So I'm gonna search Minecraft zombie. There you go. And I just picked a picture that's gonna fit my thumbnail that I want. And later we're gonna get to my character. Okay, so let's just wait for the photos to load in. There we go. These are some nice. There's some nice ones. Oh, basically not that one. So there's some good ones here as well, I guess. I'll just take a screenshot of this one. There you go. Why does it look like this zombie is walking backwards? I'm just gonna let him do his thing. And this one, that's okay, that's walking. And this one, that's doing this with his arm. No, just I'm just gonna not look at it. And then I'm gonna take a picture of my skin on Minecraft, on my character. So I downloaded this app, Skinseed, which is you can basically get skins from it, and also there's a so you basically pick a skin. There you go, that's my skin, and you can make him any pose you want. So right now I'm just doing this, but I want him to hold a sword, so I guess so, and hold a torch. I don't really know what pose. Walking. Yes, and there we go. That's a great pose. And now I'm just gonna take a screenshot and put it. Wait, maybe we should. Oh, sorry, bro. Sorry. Maybe I should do this. Yep, there we go. Him looking at the camera like there's a camera. Come on, bro. I know you can do this with your head. Come on, don't. Come on, bro. Make this easier for me. Okay, there we go. So there we go. That's a great picture. So first, I'm gonna get the picture of my skin and cut him out from the background. I'm gonna use the smart tool. There, okay, I messed that up. Basically, you just tap wherever you want the character is, the outlines. So if you see some of these patches, just click on it and drag on it. There we go. So I'm just gonna finish cutting this off, and next we're gonna put the zombies. There we go. That's finished. Okay. No, that's not. There we go. And my eye and my ears and the back of my head. And okay, we messed up some patches. We can just remove them. There we go. So, oh wait, we missed something on my hand right there. So there we go. That's great. And now we can just get the zombies. There we go. There's the first one. So once again, we're gonna cut him off from the background. There we go. So, and flip the photo to make him look like he's facing me. But I think I'm just gonna flip this image because I like the sun on my background behind me. There we go. I think that looks a bit better. There we go. So we're gonna put more zombies in. And I want to put this guy because it looks funny. So there we go. The zombie, he's like walking backwards, which is great. There we go. And let's just put this guy in the back because he just looks a bit bigger than the other one. So we got another zombie right here, which is just a normal zombie. But we could get this one if you want, but nah, I'll just get this one. It's a bit classic zombie. And flip it, and there we go. I think that's great already. And put him in the back. In the back. Wait. Oh, this is supposed to be on there, and there we go. That looks about. Oh wait, we missed a spot. Where is it? There we go. I just woke up, so sorry for my voice. I took a break yesterday, so there's no video. So now what we need to do is get a sword for my hand in Google, of course. So we'll just search Minecraft iron sword, because that's the sword that I have in the video. So that video will be uploaded tomorrow, guys, after I upload this video. So let's go to image. I'm a bit sick, but that doesn't matter. I think I'll get this one. That looks great. Okay, I'll just get this one. Yep, that's much better. So let's just take a screenshot. Come on, there we go. And now just put it on my hand. There we go. I just click. Oh wait, that's not the one. There we go. There is it. So we'll just cut out the sword again. I'm sick. Okay, wait, I just messed that up. So first let's start off from the handle, and then with the blade of the sword. That's where the chopping starts. So there we go. There's the sword, and let's just put it on our hand and put it on the bottom, so it looks like that I'm holding the sword. That doesn't really look like I'm holding the sword. So I'm gonna do something great. So I will just, no, not that, I'm just gonna make it that it looks like that I'm really holding the sword. So there we go, and put it up right there. Oh my god, I just messed up the background, and there we go. And I'll just get a handle right here. This handle, we're gonna put this at the bottom of my hand, so it looks like that the handle is showing at the bottom. There we go. I think that looks okay. I think we're gonna have to make it a bit shorter, because now it looks like the sword is so long because of that. So we'll put it right there. Oh man, we just messed it up. So there we go. I think that's about it. Oh wait, first we're gonna put some trees on the background. I also have some trees. Where are my trees? I swear I have trees. Okay, so I lost my tree. So this, I think this is about it. Let's just add some text. And I fought. I trained myself. Oh wait, I fought zombies. Very okay, just I fought zombies. That's it. There we go. Just put it up there, and that doesn't look clear, so let's put a background. I like putting red right there. So there we go. That looks a bit clearer. So that's the thumbnail for this video, guys. If you want to see a video about how do I make my videos, you can just comment down below if you want, and like the video if this video gets 10 likes, or I mean 15 likes, because last video we just got 30. That's more about what I want. Last video I want 10 likes and you gave me 30. Oh my greatness. So yep, I'm just gonna save that because that's the thumbnail I'm gonna use next video. So you can download Photoshop Mix and Skinseed on iOS and Android. So thank you so much for watching. See you guys next video. Bye bye.